See? Too much my tummy. Azim, hi, hello.
How are you, madam?
Berka, we go mini. Now we going to metro. Gualina.
This was it.
Ha?
قدم مغلينا نجمة.
Ah. We try po kaming sumakay dito sa metro. Yala, Azim! Tumasingin. Pamingin ako sa main.
Then you will go. Laptop.
No problem. Where get ticket? Ha? Maybe this one, the ticket book. Hi.
$30 minutes in.
30 minutes?
Yes.
Minutes lang mag-ride kami sa train. Yala, Azim, get card.
Oh no, no problem.
Yala, guide. Yala, get card.
Yeah, this bolt here.
This one. Dito lang, Azim. Azim, this one.
How much? Cash.
No problem.
شو لا ما بتقبلش
Change. How much for a ticket? How much?
we have the 2 real ticket. Yeah, it's okay. Where destination?
Wakra?
Eileen.
بكره نقطة إيه يا بنتي؟
Oh, where we go?
كورنيشة ختم بالي. صح؟
We cannot go there, then we cannot go there, we'll come back. Time is not enough.
No, I don't think so.
At that time will not from Wakra, sir. The last train will be 10:30.
So the next,
There
this,
will be 10 to 15 minutes.
No, it's too late.
next destination saan na po? Saan po yung malapit?
It depends when
After
you're
1 week,
going.
come 9 o'clock here. Not come like this. Where go after come back?
The last train from Al Wakra 10:30.
So, saan? Where we go?
If you want,
Only select one destination. You
Yeah.
can reach there by train, but to coming back, you should take.
Oh my God.
Yeah, our car here.
This is only the one option.
Yeah.
yeah, because it's already 10:15.
10:30 is stop all the train? Oh my God.
You can come back.
After 1 week.
Tomorrow is open?
Tomorrow Friday, after 2 days.
Even Okra, we cannot come back.
going
10:30
to
is stop.
Wakra, sir, it will take 10 to 15 minutes.
Number 1.
Sorry.
Thank you.
Maybe you will not come back, you will just stay in Wakra.
Gusto nilang ma-experience kasi. Kalalabas lang kasi namin. Thank you.
Friday not open, right?
Huh?
Friday not.
Friday and Saturday. So, Sunday. No chance. Say hi. Because of you, Azim. Why like this? Where this going?
Let this go another road.
Way
that
out to
way.
Matar.
No?
Ah, going maybe there. The other road.
You see this lady? You see this lady, Yala?
Oh my God, very big this area.
Ah, wallahi, very big.
Oh, I thought this is only small, no? You see upstairs.
System like this.
Oh, okay. But no chance to ride. No chance to ride, oh my God. This is the metro. Metro!
No, you don't have that, huh?
Huh?
No. This 9 o'clock. 9 o'clock, you have 1 hour.
I will go Saturday.
No, Sunday.
Saturday I will come here, I will park, then I will pick later.
Hindi po kami nakasakay sa tren. Kasi po, ano na, late na. What the? Because of Azim. Azim, what are you doing? Ito po siya. The metro. Oh, good service. Yeah.
There is maybe walking way also inside.
Only one train. My God.
Sitting down very good.
Huh?
Down very good. Oh, sitting down.
Yeah. Very, very cold. Wala po, yan. Naglakad na lang po kami dito. Kaway-kaway na lang tayo. Ay, nako. Wala po. Hindi kami nakasakay sa tren. You know, I thought this is only small.
No?
I thought only small. I'm thinking only small down.
لا يا شيخ.
This is nothing there. Doha, very big that's
My God, very big.
I'm just all come like this, America.
All?
Oh yes, all this.
Wow. I want to ride. I want to ride on Sunday. I will think for Sunday or another day.
See?
Oh.
Okay. Swim.
No, not allowed swimming.
Why close the Friday? Not good like this.
Yeah, I
All
too much.
man go Friday, go Atarapo.
Yeah. Too much passenger coming, that's why. Oh, yeah. But very, very cheap, no? Only 2 real?
Yeah.
This is near.
No, metro like that.
Ah,
Everywhere, every country.
only 2 real, no? In 6 real, you can rounding Doha na. Hi, after eating McDonald's, prostrate. Ay, see, my tummy. Tummy. Paano mga kabayan? Pauwi na rin po kami. Thank you.
Let's go walk, huh?
Bye-bye.